Hey guys, Lance Finucci here at MarineMax in Gulf Shores, Alabama. Today we're going to be talking about the Grady-White Freedom 215. This boat is 21 feet 6 inches long, it is 8 feet 4 inches across, and it has a 200 Yamaha on the back. Now the Grady hull is legendary for the smoothest and driest ride out there. This is no different. The angles of this boat on the back at the transom, you're at about a 20-degree dead rise. Right at midship, you have about 33 to 35-degree dead rise. And up front, at that strong North Carolina bow, 55-degree dead rise. Guaranteed to keep you dry and give you one of the smoothest rides on the water. Don't let the smaller size of this Grady at only 21 feet 6 inches fool you. It is actually one of the most popular boats in the entire Grady lineup. What I want to do now is just show you some of the features of this great dual console. We're going to start up at the helm. Taking a look at the helm, the first thing that sticks out is that incredible stainless steering wheel right in front of you with the grab rail. You also have the Yamaha engine computer right up there to your right, and a component for the Fusion stereo system right on your left. You have the main part of the Fusion stereo system, which does have 4 speakers on this boat, sitting on the port side of the boat right in front of your passenger. All of your gauges right on the Grady are right where you need them to be, and also the throttle is right there controlling that 200 horsepower Yamaha engine on the back. Stepping over to the passenger side, you have a very ample head in this small 21-foot boat. You also have dual captain's chairs on the passenger side and on the driver's side of the boat. Very convenient there. And moving up front, you have the entire lounge seating area with backrest. Under each of those cushions is an insulated cooler box so that you can put anything that you need in there. Taking a look at the back of the boat, you have 2 transom seats. Both of them can actually be set up for passenger seats as that, or they can be moved around so that you could have a walk-through transom depending on which side you dock the boat on. You also have a ski pylon that's on the boat. And right here in the center, you also have your live well for keeping all the bait going. That's our boat, ladies and gentlemen. That is our Grady-White 215 dual console boat, one of the most popular in the lineup. If you want to know more about this boat or any other boat that we have down here at MarineMax, just give us a call. My name is Lance Finucci, and we'd be happy to answer any questions you may have and get you back on the water or on the water for the first time. See you soon.